If you've got data in CSV format, or in fact any format, and you convert it into a Murmurations formatted CSV file, then yeah, you can slurp it all and register it straight into the index.
I'm going to give a demo of the batch importer and how that works. What we're basically doing is taking spreadsheets of data and importing it into Murmurations. So in this case, I'm going to use the organization schema with these two test organizations. I'm going to make some changes to them. I'm going to add a third one, and I'm going to delete the first one. That will be the sequence. Each of these worksheets are saved as CSV files, so this is what they look like when they're being imported. This is done by simply just doing download of CSV from your spreadsheet program, which they all support. So we're going to go ahead and select the organization schema, and we're going to upload that first CSV file that we created. We'll give the batch a name, just something to make it easy to identify if we have more than one. We'll choose a file. We'll choose orgs1. I'm going to import. Now we would like to make sure that it actually got imported so we can verify it with the Index Explorer. Select all schemas. We're going to look for the tags test and org. We're going to select the status of posted so that it only shows us nodes that have been posted to the index and not the deleted ones. And we're going to search all tags with exact matches. There they are. Test org 1 and 2. In the next spreadsheet, we make some changes, including adding a tag. So we're going to modify that batch. We're going to choose the next one in the sequence, orgs1a, open, modify. Once that's modified, the batch is processed. We can check the modification. We'll see that extra tag appear down here. There it is. Now in the third one, we add a third org. So let's do that. I should have clicked modify, in fact. We're going to choose the file, orgs1b, open, modify. When we go here, we'll see that third org, test org 3. Finally, we delete the first organization in the last file, which is 1c. We go ahead, process that. It's been processed, and we'll see test1 org disappear now. There we go. That's the whole sequence. A couple things to make note of. The field names here in the first row must match exactly to the field names in whichever schema is specified, in this case the org schema. You'll see in the case of arrays of objects, we have the standard convention of putting the array number in brackets, square brackets, and then the dot specifier for the property on the object. Here's a plain object, geolocation lat, geolocation lon, and finally a basic array, tags 0, tags 1. This is all explained in the documentation at Docs Murmurations Network. You go under Guides to Import Networks, and we explain all these rules about the CSV formatting.